Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to move and mute inactive members automatically after 50 minutes on your Discord server. This feature is perfect for keeping your voice channels neat and organized without having to manually manage every user who goes idle. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns or manages the server you want to configure. Once you're in, open your server by tapping its icon on the left side of your screen. Now, tap the server's name at the top of the screen. This will open a small menu with several options related to your server management. From this menu, select Settings to access all the customization tools for your server. Inside the server settings, find and tap on Overview. This section controls your server's general settings, including its name, region, and most importantly, the inactive channel options. Scroll down until you see the heading labeled Inactive Channel. This is the channel where Discord will automatically move members who have been idle for too long. Tap on it and select the voice channel you want to use as your inactive channel. It's a good idea to create a specific AFK or inactive channel so users know where they've been moved when away from their devices. Once you've set your inactive channel, the next step is to choose the timeout period. Tap on Inactive Timeout and you'll see different time options. Select 15 minutes to make sure that anyone who stays inactive for more than that time will be automatically relocated to your inactive channel. When you're done, Discord will now handle it all on its own. After 15 minutes of inactivity, users will be moved and muted automatically. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your voice chats running smoothly and clutter